know what a burnout is?
No idea. What is a burnout?
What is up, my dudes? Welcome to Hamburg in northern Germany. Unfortunately, I got here really late last night. I got here around like 11:30, so I wasn't able to have a meetup with any of you guys. And I'm not staying here any longer. I actually have to drive to Copenhagen because my cousin Savannah from Sweden, my closest cousin, the cousin I grew up with, we were born 3 weeks apart. She's flying into Copenhagen from Sweden because, as you guys can imagine, this trip got really boring. Without MARC anymore, it's just me, and the radio in the car doesn't work. My head unit works, but ever since that car wash, my speakers don't work. So yeah, it's really boring. So luckily, my cousin Savannah's flying in to keep me entertained. We're either gonna tell a lot of jokes, or she's gonna nag at me a lot and tell me to slow down. I really doubt she's gonna be nagging at me because those of you who follow me on Instagram have already seen her power sliding her BMW X5 in the snow. She's a really cool cousin, and I guess I'm a good influence on her. So maybe she's coming aboard to learn a little more. Let's see, Hamburg, 411 on Hamburg. It honestly reminds me a lot of Mexico. It's like a mixture of Cancun without the beaches, even though there is a port over here. It reminds me of Cancun, like the club scene, the street vibe in Cancun mixed with Amsterdam. Very different from everything else I've seen in Germany. Okay, so we have a 4-hour drive, and her plane lands in about an hour and a half. Sorry, Savannah, you're gonna have to wait, unfortunately. I'll get there soon. I have like probably 100 kilometers worth of Autobahn, and then unfortunately we'll be in Denmark and I can't really speed over there. So I'll make up as much speed as possible over here on the Autobahn in the rain. And yeah, I won't be making up any time, Savannah, I'm sorry. We're stuck in traffic. You're gonna have to wait. I'm sorry. I'll make it up for you. We'll go shopping in Stockholm or something. I got you there, cuz. Alright, I gotta put the camera away because really I don't want it to wait any longer. I'll see you guys probably in Denmark. Ciao. So this guy's really proud. He's going from Switzerland to Finland. Go from there, you know, I think I got him beat. I started over here, went there, then down, then back up, this way, that way, that way, that way, this way, and over here. And maybe Oslo. Definitely think I got the Mini Cooper beat. Alright, made it to Denmark. Check this out, guys. Windmills to the right, all the way back there in the abyss. Some windmills over there to the left. I love seeing things like this. I forget what the facts were, but I remember reading it a really long time ago. I think Denmark produces 80% of its energy from windmills. Someone fact checked me on that. I'm pretty sure. Or maybe they create their own energy 100% now and no longer use fossil fuels. Really cool. All right, guys, we are off the ship. Amazing news. I just found out something else that was wrong with the car, but you guys are about to see in, well, I don't know when I'm gonna find the nearest mechanic shop, but the left rocker scoop is dangling. It's about to fall off, and I don't know how it didn't fall off on the Autobahn, but luckily I caught on to that. So next stop, mechanic shop, before we go pick up my cousin. I'm sorry, Savannah. See that nasty gap it has, like right there? It's not supposed to have that gap, and the bottom of it was dangling. I pushed it back into place, but to keep an eye on it. I've got to have it here for the next 199 miles. I've got to keep my eye on that and on the road. And I can't see anything on my left side because all of my mirror's pointing now. So this should be fun. Another day in this journey. Can't have a normal day. Oh, check engine light went away. Hallelujah. All right, happy to report we made it to Copenhagen, and that scoop, whatever it's called, is still there. So, I've been here when I was a kid. Came here with my dad, but I was here a couple years ago as well in my adult life. It's a really cool place. It reminds me a lot of Sweden, very similar to Sweden, but Sweden's a little nicer. So my cousin found a mechanic shop out here in Copenhagen. We're headed over there now to meet her and get this fixed. And then I don't know what we're doing tonight. Might stay here in Copenhagen or drive to Malmo and then Göteborg, Gothenburg. We'll see. Might be in Sweden tonight, might be in Denmark. Don't know. I have a little trivia for all the American viewers. Everyone from Europe, you're not allowed to answer this. Everyone from America, look at this. So the light turns orange first, turns amber, and then green. Do you have any idea why? Why would it turn amber first and then green? In the US, it just goes from red to green right away. And then from green, it goes green, amber, red. In Europe, it always between green and red, or red and green, whichever way direction it goes, the amber one always lights up. Why is that? Comment below. Smarty pants if you know. Mark, do you know? Do you know, Mark? I don't think you do. I'll show you guys again on this light. If it turns red, it turns amber, and then green. Who can guess why? All right, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the reason it goes from red to green in the US is because cars in the US are predominantly automatic. So all you have to do is just move your foot from the brake and hit the gas and you're off. In Europe, cars are mostly manual, gated. Well, not gated, but manual. So it turns amber to give you enough time to press the clutch, engage first gear, find that release point, the engagement point of the clutch, so you don't stall the car. You know, if it turns red to green right away, then you know, you're gonna try to put it in first gear, let go of the clutch, do it fast.
Turn
you might
right onto Strong Spy.
Okay, you might stall the car, and then, you know, you got people honking in the back. Hey, Mondi, why you drive like an idiot? Speed it up, huh? I'm just using my brain to figure that out. But I just, you know, always remember growing up, my dad would, you know, that's what he would do. So that amber would give him enough time to put it into first gear. So this is outskirts of Copenhagen. Notice almost every single car here is a little hatchback. Well, every single car here except for that SUV was a hatchback. Lift the nose. Hey, there's Savannah. Oh, she brought a lot of bags. She's gonna be in for a surprise.
The destination is on your right.
And that's what we're doing today. How are you? Okay, I warned you.
Wait.
Pack lightly. Why'd you bring 2 bags? 3 bags.
Okay, it's not 3.
Oh yeah, you have the little whatever that thing is. Okay, how are you gonna fit all of that?
I will.
Over
no
here.
Problem.
Okay, I'll move this stuff. Okay, we got a Ferrari over here, so we are in good hands. Good place. There you go, Savannah. You get to be Mark for the day. Oh.
Okay.
Here, you don't hold it from the bottom because then you start shaking.
Okay, what do you want
like
me
Mark.
to do?
Hold it from up here.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna. Okay, come on, really? There's no room for your feet now with the bags there.
It's okay. I will put them on the bag.
Okay, yeah, just put it on the dash. What's up, Savuk? How are you?
up?
Don't get so shy. You know you're gonna be
I
on
don't like the
camera.
camera.
You're gonna be on
Stop
camera
it.
for 2 days. Don't be so shy. So, Savannah thinks that she can fit in here. Just enough room for her luggage. Luckily, the dash is really long here, so maybe we can put it there, but she won't have any visibility. We can also tie it over here. We can stuff it in here. Yeah, is that cool?
It's not a bag from Target.
She's very humble. My cousin is very humble. country I've been to.
Aventador or what is it?
Murcielago.
Murcielago.
Every country I've been to so far, the car's gone to a mechanic shop. And I started from Barcelona.
What's that?
The exhaust wrap. Got like a little woman's weave now. Imagine how funny that looks from behind. All is fixed.
Yes.
All right, nice and sturdy. Thank you very much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Everything is fixed.
Oh, okay.
Bye bye from here. Good trip to you.
It's you know, I have a friend. We call him Gutter Snake. You're like the Danish version of him.
Really? What's is he a good guy or a bad guy?
No, very good guy.
Ah,
yeah, very good guy.
Bye
Bye bye. You ready for this?
Let's go.
Where are my keys? Oh, it's your first time in a Lamborghini.
Yeah. How do I?
You just pull it down. No, actually, you just clap.
What do you mean clap?
It's automatic. If you clap, it comes down.
My hands?
Yeah. No, 3 claps.
You're joking.
There you go. All right, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
We're actually gonna go eat in Copenhagen, so we'll see you guys there. Okay, park the car. We're gonna go walk around Denmark. This place is called New Have, right? Yeah, New Have. So I was here 2 years ago. Really pretty place. Bunch of colorful buildings. We'll show you guys, and that's basically Denmark, right? There's nothing else in Denmark.
Not really.
It's wannabe Sweden, right?
Exactly.
All the Danish people are gonna get so how dare you. This is the prettiest part of Denmark. This is much nicer than anything we have in Uppsala.
Yeah, this is much nicer than Uppsala.
Is it nicer than Stockholm?
No, I love
It's not.
Stockholm.
Yeah, Stockholm is beautiful. But yeah, let's go eat and we'll show you guys Copenhagen. Okay, so we're gonna have traditional Danish food. The Dansk are known for their hot dogs. They're called red pølse. Sorry, rød pølse, which means red hot dog. Sausage, actually. Never had it before, actually. My first time. Cheers, Sebu.
Hello.
And a bit
Okay.
more, so you could like
See what this is all
the house
about.
that way. Oh yeah, but maybe if you stand here. So
Oh, perfect. I just realized that's gonna look so bad. Right? Off the Savannah, let's be good people, huh? Throw far away. Make them work for it. Who wants here, put some ketchup on it. Right in the middle. Alright guys, I think that's the end of Copenhagen, yeah? Now we're gonna drive to Göteborg, right? Or yeah, Göteborg. Let's go there. Let's go to Sweden. Walking back to the car, and it looks like there's quite a few people over there. Maybe they recognize the car. What's up, dude?
Can you do those burnout? You do always with the...
What was that?
Yeah, the burnout.
Yeah. You plan to Sweden now? Going to Sweden, yes.
Then we just go
Straight down there.
Yeah,
That's
Straight down?
yeah, then
That's the way to the highway.
We'll come to the highway.
They want some reps. Hello, Savannah. Mark, you got replaced. You got a better cameraman. It's the
So what are
best.
we doing now?
I have no idea. How's the zoom?
I love your sunglasses.
Ah, is it zoom now or no? Which one is zoomed?
You're zooming now.
Okay.
Now. You look like an Armenian version of George Clooney.
George Clooney, okay. Not Fabio. It's like too many eyes. I should do this, you know? Like, hello. Do you know what a burnout is?
No idea. What is a burnout?
Okay. Here, well, I'll keep it on your face. Why don't you keep it on your reaction? Do you know that is about a burnout? How's that?
Now let's go to Gothenburg.
Yeah, by the way, you had the camera zoomed in on your face the entire time. I don't know why you had it zoomed in. It's priceless.
My heart! Oh my god!
You were asking earlier how many PSI the car has.
Yeah.
Do you believe it now? 720.
I believe you.
Alright guys, and on that note, we're gonna end Copenhagen. We will see you guys next time in Gothenburg. Ciao!
And I was still holding the camera.
Yeah, but you were filming like this. And it was zoomed in the entire time. I actually want to see that footage.
God.